The edges. 10. Looking for friends who are being first graders already on the edges. 9, 8. You're on the edge. 7, 6, 5. Edges all the way. 4, 3, 2, 1. First grade. I have a problem. And I am looking for someone who is just being so responsible. I don't need them yet. But I'm on the lookout for someone who's being so responsible when I might need help. Because I'm gonna in a sec. Because my mom said I have to put away my toys. But guess what? She wants me to know how many I have too. How many blocks. All right, let me start. This is my turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. Oh, you're right. This is my turn. Oh, I could count by tens. You mean I could group them by tens so I can see how many I have. Let me try that, Alana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now I know I have 10 over there. Good. Now I just have this many. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, I should make another 10. Okay, gotcha. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got it, Inaya. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, okay. So I have 4 left. I don't have enough to make a 10. Let me count how many I have now. It looks a lot easier to count. I have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Well, thank you, Alana. That made it so much more easy to keep track of how many blocks I have. Now, I know I have 24 blocks to put in here. Oh, my goodness. Did you see how easy that was? I'm already cleaned up. Oh, my goodness. All right, when I say melt, I need you on your carpet spot with a level 0, still looking for the best first grade helpers that I can find. Melt. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Z. I said level 0, E. Can we get a star? R. Wow, Cameron's already there. O. So, friends, when I was just counting right now, I had something I had to do. But I made it easier. Sumi, all the way up in your square. Thank you, first-time listener. I made it easier by grouping my blocks in a 10 and 1s. So I knew I just didn't have just 24. I had 2 10s and 4 1s, which is 24. And guess what, first grade? Today, we have something really exciting happening. Mathematicians that make things easier so they can keep track of their numbers are really fancy. And we're all going to pretend that we are going to work at a fancy store. But workers need to make sure they do something. They need to make sure they're right. When they count, they have the right number, Kaiser. So to do that, they like to count things with groups of 10 and 1s. So it's quicker and they can see exactly how many they have left. Let me show you a picture of our store. I drew this store called Dollar Zone. And the rules of the store are going to be keep track and group your 10s and 1s. Be a responsible employee and have fun. Let me show you how you're going to do that. We have this box. I like to call it a depot. Try that word, depot. Depot means a place where stuff is at that we can get. Let me show you. Turn your bodies. It's okay. Turn your bodies. So this is going to be open during our working time. And I have different bags with different things in here. All different things. I have fuse beads, marbles, eyes. But the thing is, to be a good employee, you have to make sure you keep track of exactly how many you have, Kaiser. And as you saw earlier, it's hard to do that when I'm just going 1, 2, 3. What number am I on? So we've been working on grouping things with our Unifix cubes. But let me show you, Cambria, I love how you're turning your body so you knowing exactly what's going on. Kaiser, put it away, or it's going to be mine to the end of the day. Put it away. 3, 2, put it away. 1. So to make sure you don't lose track and you know exactly how many you have, Morona, you're going to have to group them. But unlike our Unifix cubes, we're going to have bags of stuff. So this is where you're going to have to get creative. Kaiser, I really hope you can be a part of this lesson. You need to put it away right now. Put it in your pocket or it's mine. So I have these beads here. And Alana, I don't think I'm going to be able to connect these beads to make it easy to see the tens. So I'm going to be with one partner, and we're going to be at a spot by ourselves. As you can see, the beads will roll on the desk. Oh my goodness, look how many beads there. I can't just start counting 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to lose count. So I'm going to make sure I group these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, I have one group of 10. See how I made sure they're over here. Now let's try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kaiser, I'm worried you're not going to know what we're doing in our groups. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 20. All right, let's see if I have enough for another group of 10. 10, 20. Count with me. 30, 40, 50, 60. Oh, I messed up. These aren't 60. These are ones. I'm making another group of 10s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10, 20, 30. All right, let's see if I have enough for another group of 10. So far, I know exactly how much I have left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, so I don't. Let's see how many I have now. Now I see how many groups of 10 I have, Malia, and how many ones I have. So 10, 20, 30, 37. All right. So I made sure I had the right number by grouping them in tens. Now I'm going to take my employee checklist. So it's kind of like the worksheet we worked on yesterday. I have a draw it. So I'm just going to draw a quick sketch like we're in Writer's Workshop. A bead kind of looks like this. I might draw a couple so I know there's lots of them. So I'm working with beads. How many tens did I have again? Oh, I had 3.
No.
I have 3 tens. Sumi, I'll explain in a second. I have 3 tens, and I had 7 ones. So that doesn't just mean I have 3, 7. That means I have 37. So that equals 30 plus 7 equals 37. Do you see how I drew the object I'm counting? How I wrote how many tens I have, Ali, and how many ones. And then I knew that this tens isn't just 3, it's 30. Plus 7 ones equals 37. Inaya, I'm letting you go first. I need your box away and you're paying attention, okay? Thank you. So, as your fancy smancy boss who's going to be checking whether or not you have the right number counted and you're using groups, I'm going to be walking around seeing if you're using this language. Are you and your partner saying, I have, or we have 3 tens. We have 7 ones. So that you know exactly what to put in your tens box and your ones box. So you don't get confused. Because mathematicians, Kaiser, and people who work in stores need to be correct in how much they count. And we do that by using tens and ones. One last thing before we go. At Dollar Zone, I said we're fancy smancy. So if we're in a group, Miss Mary, will you pretend to be my partner real quick? If we're in a group and Miss Mary and I are working at this table over here, and we're counting these clear bags. And we have everything everywhere. Oh, we got our worksheet done. Now we just run over here and put it away like this. No.
Fancy at all.
What's a way we could be fancy, Miss Mary?
Well,
I don't want all these bags to get ruined and all crinkled up, so we should probably put everything back the right way, just like we found it.
We could just stack them like this, the best we can. Put them in a ball. No, roll them up like that.
That's pretty good, yeah.
And do we run over here to get another bag as fast as we can? No. We just walk over, and if someone else is here, we let them go first, and then we pick something. We're not going, oh, which one do I want? Take one that you haven't done. And if we all do this the right way, maybe everyone will get every single bag. Looking for friends who are ready to go. So let's review the words. With tens and ones, we're trying to keep track of how many we have and group them in tens and ones. We're going to be a responsible employee. We're going to be fancy-smancy here, following the rules, following expectations, and we're going to, most importantly, Kaiser, let's read this together, Kaiser. Look at my finger on the board. Have fun. Because if we don't have fun, what's the point, right? So I picked some people that are going to be in groups on the carpet to show us how it's done first. Everyone else will be at desks together. Remember, beads roll. So if you're doing beads, make sure you're being careful how you're grouping them. Inaya, Cambry, Nargis and Mohammed. Where is Nargis? She's not here. Okay. I got you, Inaya, right here. So you're going to need a pencil or something to draw with. And you're going to be at your own spot on the carpet. Crystal?
Clear.
That's just for Inaya and Cambry. Everyone else, you will be at desks besides the groups I call. Crystal? Sorry for that being confusing. So Cambry and Inaya, show us what it's like to grab your materials. You need a writing instrument and a bag. Inaya, you got your checklist right here. Very important. We're fancy-schmancy here. Cambry? Need a writing utensil and one bag for the two of them. See if they're doing it. Checking for caught in the act. Who is being a responsible employee today? So find a spot. We're not just wandering the room. So Cambry and Inaya are one of the groups that are on the carpet. So find a carpet spot that's nice and clear. So that doesn't look clear right now. We're all going to be walking. Why don't you find one right in the back? Maybe the library is a good place? Good. Are they running? No, we don't want any workplace incidents here. We want to be safe and sound. All right, my next group. It's going to be Darion, Malia, and Kaiser. You need to find a place on the carpet as well. Grab a pencil, Kaiser. We're not running. If I find someone running, I might ask them to come and talk to me about what's going on. Make sure you have a writing instrument, Kaiser. One bag for the group. You each need to grab a writing utensil. Hold on, Nora. I'm making sure that our employees are showing everyone else how to do it. Wow, Kaiser, grabbed 3 pencils for his group already. Kaiser, on the carpet somewhere. Your group is on the carpet. Looking for friends. We're also ready to get started. So, everyone else, are we on the carpet? No. You guys are at tables, okay? So my first group, Natalie and Alana, come grab your checklist. You're going to grab a writing utensil and one bag for the two of you at a desk. Write your names on it. Jacob and Iad, make sure you have a utensil. Jacob, you need a checklist. Jacob, you need a checklist. Everyone else, let's watch. Is anyone running yet? No. Oh. Ali and Adrian. Adrian? Ali and Adrian.
I'm really thirsty.
All right, after math you can get a drink, okay? Let's start and then I'll come and check in with you. Let's see, Cameron and Delilah.
We're both sitting in the same spot.
Zaria and Marona. So far, so good, employees. It's going to be a good day at work. So Raghavi and Noor. And Mohammed, you can be with Sumi. And if Nargis comes back, we'll add her in your group too, okay? Oh, here, just one. Sumi. Sue me. Sue me. Are you? Let me get you a Band-Aid, okay? So who's already started at their desk? Uh-oh, those might roll on the desk. You gotta be careful. Nargis, come here. We're gonna be working on counting objects. I put you with Mohammed, and where are they? Let's see. Oh, right here. So just grab a chair. So Mohammed, when I explain this to her, when I explain this to her, can you help me translate if she needs anything? Sumi, can you grab those and bring them over here, the dots? Can you grab the dots? Okay, can you help her get started? I'm going to help Nora real quick. Yes, Nora. Hi. All right, buddy. Wow, Jacob and Iyad, are you guys working together? What if you lose track? Is your name on your paper? So I just noticed some. 1, 2, 3, eyes on me. I'm waiting for 2 people's eyes. So if you're with your partner and one person's counting over here and the other's counting over here, are you going to have a real number? No, you need to be counting in groups of 10 together at one place. So Natalie, Alana, where are you guys at? Are you counting together?
No.
Are these groups of 10?
Yes.
Okay, show me. Let's see. Okay, see 10 in that one.
3, 4, 10, 20.
This is 30.
30,
Make sure it's spaced out.
31, 32, 33.
So Alana, she has some groups of 10 already. Do you have groups of 10? So if you're not going to work together, how are we going to get the right number?
Well, she's taking all of it.
Okay, so let's take your groups of 10 and let's bring them over here. Are these groups of 10? I see 10 here. I see 10 here. Wow, you already have groups of 10. So, Natalie, she's already made some groups of 10 too. Are those all groups of 10? These are groups of 10? How many do you have left over there? How many ones do you have left over? Oh, she's making another group of 10. Let's go work with her. Let's go see. Oh, but you had enough for a group of 10.
I can try to make another 10.
Let's try and make one more 10. Natalie, how many 10s did you have so far?
40.
You had 40, and she has 3 10s, so how much is that altogether?
30.
So 40 plus 30, how much is that altogether? Okay, so you don't have enough to make another 10. Let's count all these 10s together. Let's start right here. 10, 20, 30, 40.
50, 60, 70, 80.
Okay, so we have 80. So how many 10s do we have? We had 8 10s, right? You guys didn't draw a picture of what you're counting. Oh no, and write your names. Right here. Draw a picture of what you're counting. How many groups of 10 did we have? I'll be right back. How many groups of 10?
20.
No. But how many groups of 10 did we have?
40, 10.
No. I don't. Look, you have 40. She has 42. Uh-oh. We're not taking turns. We're all working together.
Can I go to the bathroom?
Yes, Cameron. Thanks for asking. So let's come over here. Let's do this together, guys. So, Sumi, if we're working together, that means all the materials are in the middle. Do you understand?
But it's going to fall. No, right here.
Yeah, let's put them all right here. What are you doing, Nargis?
Here.
No, over here.
One spot.
Yeah, over here. Let's go over here.
One spot.
All right. You guys haven't drawn a picture of what we're counting. What are we counting?
We have 10, 20, 30, and we have 4.
Raghavi. Wow, what a responsible employee. Make sure the bag's closed, Raghavi. Are you with Delilah?
Yes.
How are you guys counting these clear bags? What's over here?
10.
Okay.
So we have 20.
So how many groups? Is this it right here or is this it? Cameron, where's your picture of the bag? Where's your picture of the bag?
These are our marker ones.
Okay.
Over here.
So first of all, I need your name on the paper.
Oh.
And then remember, we're drawing a picture of what we're counting. So if we don't have a picture, we don't know what we're counting. Natalie, Alana, did you figure it out?
I have 41.
Yeah, but you guys were working together.
I know, but we're going to get marking.
Oh, are we running?
She just grabbed a lot.
Yad, your partner's all the way back here. Stop picking up. Okay. Are these hard to count or what? Wait, no.
Not until you're done with that one. You guys gotta make sure you don't lose out.
Let's get Lego.
You drew a picture of it?
See the Lego. The markers.
Plus 2 equals 32. See how he has 3, 0, 30?
You forgot your name.
Yeah, because it's 3 10s, Nargis.
Mr. Tony, you help us because
See, responsible employees, we're not running. Can I help you?
yeah.
All right, so what's going on? So this is a 10?
Yeah.
Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10. But do you have 10 in this one now?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Now do you have 10 in this one?
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, we have to write
But what about these rocks? You said you have 8 here. What about these? We have to count these too. So put it in the pile. All right, Ali, why aren't you over helping count?
10.
Let's come over here.
We have 10.
You're fine. Come on. I'm really thirsty too.
We have 10.
So we made groups of 10. How many groups of 10 do we have?
4.
Okay, so
1, 2.
I don't see a picture of your rocks. We're counting rocks. This is where we draw our picture.
Okay.
All right, I'm going to check our depot. Uh-oh, who had bags last? Looks like it's just thrown in. Make sure you're being respectful with the materials, please. So, how many 10s do you have? How many groups of 10 do you have? Ali, name. Adrian, name.
Okay.
Alana, not sure what you're doing over there.
2, 3, 4. Yeah, I counted it. It says 1, 2, 4.
Okay, so how many 10s? How many 10s? We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s.
4 10.
Do we have any ones? Nope. So skip that part.
Okay.
Now we have 40 plus
40 plus 0.
Nor watching for employees.
We're looking,
Looking for what?